What are underground rivers? We are all familiar with rivers which flow on the surface of the earth. But strangely enough, there are some underground rivers too. Do you know how an underground river is formed? There are many reasons which give birth to underground rivers. An underground river is formed when the uppermost surface of the earth easily allows rainwater to pass through to a more solid soil structure. This water starts flowing due to the pressure of the upper water and takes the shape of an underground river. The flow of water within rocks depends upon two properties: rock's porosity and permeability. Porosity is that fraction of a rock's bulk volume which is made of void. In general, elastic rocks are porous. Crystalline rocks have low porosity. Permeability is a rather general term used to describe the case with which a fluid can flow through the void of a rock. It mainly depends upon the size of the void. Underground water flows along a path following the steepest slope. Limestone rocks are honeycombed with tunnels and cones. When the rainwater, which contains certain amount of acid, falls on them, an interesting process takes place. The water starts flowing through their tunnels and caves, seeking a way out. As the water moves along, it wears away more and more of the surrounding rock to produce long tunnels which eventually turn into underground rivers. These rivers finally reach the sea by surfacing at certain places. There is another process through which an underground river is created. When a powerful spring can't sprout forth, owing to the solidity and compactness of the rocks, it starts flowing underground. The distance traveled underground by such a river varies. In some cases it is more and in some others less. The famous Rhine of France travels only a short distance underground. There is a famous underground river in Somerset, UK. Speleologists have tried to follow the course of some underground rivers, but many passages are too narrow to get through. In this regard, a process has been devised by some researchers. It involves mixing of certain dye in river's water to recognize it when it surfaces again.